Hi everyone, welcome to Target Fix channel. Let's continue our ethical hacking series part 3. Okay, let's um, let's go towards phishing. What is phishing? If there is any activity to steal our data or to get our credentials or such as credit card numbers or any our personal data, the type of attacks we call as phishing attacks. We can see like this of stuff in mails as well as the SMSs. We got some emails that need an urgent request to log in and set up your PIN numbers, as well as getting SMSs that you got 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs as a prize money. All these are the phishing links. Once we click the link and provide our credentials, then they will steal our data. It is the phishing. Yeah, let's go for brute force attack as well as the dictionary also. Brute force attack, it will check all the combinations listing. If we kept our mobile with 4 digits of password, it will check all the possibilities towards the password. In the dictionary attack, we will collect a particular data if towards a target, like if I targeted a Facebook, then I will grab all the information towards a Facebook and I kept in a file, and I will start the dictionary attack, which means it will perform whatever the information that we grab as a passwords. Yeah, you can look at here some definitions towards a brute force as well as a dictionary attacks. Yeah, how to secure ourselves. uh, okay, here security is main important for everyone. Why? Because a lot of people are looking towards our data. How to secure means whenever that we are going to click any URL, we need to verify that whether it is a um, genuine link or it have any malicious code, and we need to see each and every letter in the URL whether it contain any malicious words. Confirm URL from Pishtank. Pishtank is a website where we can check whether the link is a genuine or it contain any malicious code. Use anti-phishing tools, which means to escape from the phishing that we use anti-phishing tools. You can search in Google also. Yeah, this is the Pishtank URL. Well, when we paste the URL here, and either it will show that whether it is a malicious code or the URL is correct. You can check like that. And this is a website map.nordscope.com. It here we can see, I mean, real time attacks in each and every country. In a particular country, how many attacks are performing per each second. This is a real time map you can check here. And this is the steps that involved in the attacking. Whenever that we have clicked or any downloaded file, it is executed and it will infect our phone or laptop or any server, and then it will goes hand towards hackers. Yeah, for this I mean, for phishing attacks or to do any social engineering attacks, so many hackers are performing this type of operations on the Kali Linux. So you need to know some commands towards the Kali Linux. Yeah, you can go each and every command towards the Kali Linux here. Sort, we can sort WC word counter. It means in a text file, if there is any data, it will count the data, and cut. We can cut and copy somewhere. Head, output the first part of file, which means first 10 lines of the data we will get. Tile means last 10 lines of data. Echo for displaying any data. Yeah, these are some commands towards Kali Linux. Service start, which means to start any type of service, we use this command. Who I am, which means it will show us, I mean, what type of access that we have in a system. Clear the command prompt. History, it will show what type of history that we are searching. And exit, it will come out of from the command prompt. And social engineering toolkit, it is the tool basically the hackers will use for social engineering attacks. You can search and you can gather the information toward this, which means by this soft tool only they will perform phishing attacks, social engineering attacks to steal our data, to grab our sensitive information. And stenography, previous I mean, this is a technique to send data very secure manner, which means they will store data in a image, and the receiver have to decrypt the image, then only that you will able to see the information. For the normal people, it's just like in a picture. Okay, next, Trojan. Yeah, you have listen like this. I mean, the Trojan attacks. Trojan basically this type of malicious code will attack to our computer systems or mobile phones whenever that we have loaded any softwares or movies or pictures from external sources. Then only this type of files will downloaded in our local systems, and it will infect our systems. Worm is also one type of malware. The specialty of worm is worm is a one type of a malicious code. It will without any intervention of the human, it will perform it operation, which means a code will have written towards this malware, and it will perform automatically without any acceptance of the user. And towards a virus, it is also one type of malware, but here for performing any action, here there is a need of the user, which means whenever that we are clicking any unknown links, then only this type of malwares will attack our systems or laptops or mobile phones. And this is defending against attack, which means how to protect from attacking. We need to download everything from a genuine sources, no need to download from other malicious websites. And we need to update our antivirus every time, and we need to encrypt our personal data, then only they can't copy our personal information. We need to protect ourselves. Yeah, this is the thing that I need to discuss in this video. For next video, that will go towards some other stuff. Thank you so much, guys.